celebrating the growth of our company, L-Tron Corporation, with a ribbon cutting, and more than that, we've invited our customers here. It's a customer appreciation event. When we say your success is our purpose, we mean we care enough about the solutions that we provide that they bring success to our customers and their customers as well. We love what we do. We wouldn't be here without our team. So it's a celebration of our customers, internal and external. We're just very proud of our company.